If you want to know the real deep inner core reasons why you procrastinate, this video is for you. There is a difference between laziness and procrastination. Laziness is like completely unwillingness that I just don't want to do it. Procrastination is painful. Why? Because you know that you got to be doing it. You really want to do it also, but you're just not able to move your body to take that action. So if you suffer from this video is for you. And today we will discuss the reasons, 5 inner reasons that you procrastinate, and then how to smash procrastination. So if you don't know me, I am a mind coach Jyoti. I am an educator turned life coach. I empower people with mind tools not taught in school so that you can defeat the repetitive patterns of fears and failures and create your desired life. So let's begin with that. What are the 5 reasons that you procrastinate? So again, I am an NLP master, and this concept comes from understanding the mind deeply, because NLP reads the unconscious biases that you have. What do I mean by unconscious biases? That particular work that you're procrastinating, जो आप procrastinate कर रहे हैं, उसे आप ही हैं जो करना भी चाहते हैं और आप ही है जो कर नहीं पा रहे हैं. You are the one who wants to do it. You are the one who's not able to do it. So definitely there is some biasness in you. To detect that biasness, you need more awareness into you. Your mind is 5% conscious and 95% metaconscious, unconscious, subconscious, give it any word for now. But your automatic function is governed by your subconscious. But is 5% conscious not powerful? Yes, it is extremely powerful. Why? Because this 5% can only become aware about the subconscious and then change the pattern. So 5% conscious mind is an important tool to reprogram the subconscious mind. But how will that conscious mind do it? Only if you become aware that where exactly is the problem. So before I actually tell the problem, I want to tell the number one issue that you have is that please don't self-sabotage. Self-hatred में ना जाएं. That is the basic core reason for procrastination. मुझे अक्सर students ये कहते हैं that ma'am, we are not able to complete what we want to. We procrastinate. That is why we do self-hatred. But that's not the reality. The reality is you've been hating yourself a lot, maybe the way you look, maybe the way you said something. You have been criticizing your decisions, your life a lot. That is where you lose harmony with yourself. And that is how procrastination seeps in. So that's like the foundation of procrastination. From today, self-love. From today, no matter what, you're not self-sabotaging. And now let's look into the reasons for procrastination. The number one reason could be that the task that you're procrastinating is really boring for you. It's really boring, and that is why you lack interest in it. And that is why your mind is not kind of interested. What is boring? When do you call something boring? When there is no energy in you to do that work. You are not excited to do that work. There is no chemical excitement to do it. What is chemical excitement? Dekho. Suppose that on a particular day today, you've not eaten and you've not drink water also. So you're kind of thirsty, you're kind of hungry. But right now, if you hear a good news that if you do this, you will be getting a particular 50 lakhs of amount, or you've just won a lottery. Now, even if you're tired whole day, even if you have not eaten whole day, but suddenly you have this rush and gush of energy into your body. So energy has different sources. But for now, let's understand this, that the task is boring is that there is not enough current generation in your mind that you have to do that work. So task could be boring. That is why you're just kind of ignoring it or avoiding it. The second reason is the task is difficult. Now, if you look at the focus series that I've made, I've explained pain and pleasure principle there. If the task is really difficult, then also you will actually, your reptilian mind, jiska ek hi kaam hai to keep you safe, to keep you alive, it tries to keep you away from all the pain. So if the task is difficult, then also you would need a special kind of programming to move your body. Because on a first note, the task is difficult, you will avoid it. You will avoid it. That's how the natural reptilian mind is programmed, to the survival mind. So you have to shift yourself into the growth mindset, where you have to look into the real reasons that even if it is difficult, why I got to do it. Otherwise, your mind is not with you and you will not be able to do it. The third reason is task is ambiguous. What is ambiguous? That you want to do it, but you don't know the structure to it. Where exactly do I start? So when mind likes rather specificity. As simple as, even if you say that I want to be happy, it's not specific, your mind doesn't understand. I want to be rich. Rich is so vague that your mind just does not understand. We do it in future alignment, where we install the goal into your mind in the language your mind understands. That is NLP. But if it is ambiguous, means कि उसमें स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है कि पहले क्या करूं, बाद में क्या करूं, आउटकम क्या रहेगा, बीच में स्टेप्स क्या रहेंगे. जब तक आपको वो क्लैरिटी प्रोसेस की नहीं है, then also there are chances that you will procrastinate. Yes, there are higher chances that you exactly don't know what to do and you will procrastinate. So ambiguity could be one reason. उसके लिए आप बैठें और पहले उसको स्ट्रक्चर दें कि मैं पहले क्या करूंगा, बाद में क्या करूंगा. If there is a big task given to you that you have to handle this, you have to take care of this, the first resistance that you will have, how? So make a structure. अगर structure नहीं है तो भी. But now structure doesn't mean that you start making that big to-do list. I've already made a video that why not to make a to-do list, because making that big impossible to-do list, unstructured to-do list, was also a form of procrastination. So you have to get a structure to the one task, not your entire life one day. एक ही दिन में सडनली अपनी लाइफ की सारी सेंस ऑफ लैक को निकाल के टू डू लिस्ट ना बनाएं. द वर्क दैट यू आर प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग ऑन, उसको थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर दें. देन यू विल बी एबल टू स्टार्ट ऑन इट. नेक्स्ट इज दैट यू लैक एनर्जी. Energy could be physical, could be mental, could be emotional, could be spiritual. I've just explained a little bit. The work is boring only because you do not have enough current. But lack of energy का मतलब ये भी है कि आप थक चुके हैं. तो जब आप एक लंबी सी टू डू लिस्ट भी बनाते हैं, या आपने बहुत सारा काम आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं सारे दिन में, यू कैन नॉट बी एट योर पीक परफॉर्मेंस 24/7. आई रिमेंबर, आई ऑलवेज टेल इट, आई यूज्ड टू टेल इट टू माय मॉम कि आराम भी एक काम है. तो प्लीज टेक दैट ब्रेन ब्रेक्स in between so that you can, get refreshed again. So if you have continuously worked for number of hours, you would really need rest. You right now do not have that energy to do that work. So do anything but self-sabotage. खुद से self sabotage ना करें कि मैंने आज भी ये नहीं किया. Count on what all you have done that day, and next time fix that work to those hours in a day when you are extremely productive or when you are at your peak performances. When you know that right now I'm fully energetic, सबसे पहले वो काम कर डालें. Brian Tracy says is eat the frog. So if you think that you're a morning person and 9 and 10 you're fully alive, टेक द चैलेंज देयर इटसेल्फ. तभी कर लें. दिन के एंड में आप में एनर्जी वैसे भी कम होती है, आपकी विल पावर वैसे भी रिड्यूस हो चुकी होती है, और उस टाइम अगर आप उस काम को देखें जो पहले ही डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, जो पहले ही एम्बिगुअस लग रहा है, देयर आर वेरी हाई चांसेस दैट यू विल जस्ट गो इनटू लो वाइब्रेशन एंड स्पॉइल योर हार्मनी विद योरसेल्फ. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट टू योरसेल्फ. एंड द लास्ट रीजन इज दैट यू लैक दैट नॉलेज और स्किल. अभी आपको वो काम की नॉलेज और स्किल अभी डेवलप नहीं हुई है, तो भी आप उस काम के लिए प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करेंगे. इट कुड बी एज सिंपल एज अ सब्जेक्ट, प्रोजेक्ट. वो सब्जेक्ट में आपका अभी इतना स्किल नहीं आया है, तो भी आप उसका पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट को आप थोड़ा सा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करेंगे. सो अभी among these 5 reasons, which one is yours? Do write in the comment section. And the biggest reason that you procrastinate is that your reasons are not very strong. Because neurons only understand why. क्यों करना है, तो why को अच्छे से visualize करें. Understand the power of visualization. Visualization is a very strong tool to rewire your mind. तो अगर आपको लगता है that you're procrastinating on something, the next video is of course on number of methods that you can use to smash procrastination. But for now, work on your whys and why nots. आपके why not ज्यादा बड़े हो चुके हैं कि मुझे क्यों नहीं करना है in the subconscious, और क्यों करना है उसके reasons कम हो चुके हैं. क्योंकि अगर आपके घर में immediately कोई emergency आएगी तो आपकी body दौड़ के जाती है. If you see that your closed ones or a loved one is in danger, your reason is so strong that you run quickly. और एक बात और, I would just end it with this. Last moment पर ही सही, कर तो लेते ही है ना. So let's understand that even at the last moment when you finish the work, why do you really do that? And see you in the next video. How to smash procrastination part 2. If you like this, if you found your reason, do subscribe the channel and do hit the bell icon as well. Till then, bye-bye from your mind coach Jyoti.